Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Smells Tasty. Today's recipe is Rice Flakes Poha. If you like this recipe, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. If you are new in this channel, then please subscribe and share my channel. And for more recipes, please don't forget to hit the bell icon. To make this recipe, first take a pan and heat it. Now pour oil as per fry. After the oil gets heated, add chopped potatoes and fry them till it gets the brownish texture. Add salt as per taste and mix them. After the potatoes gets perfectly fried, take it out and keep aside. Now, on the same pan, add cinnamon seeds, cardamom seeds, long, and now add bay leaves. Salt them a bit. One by one, add curry patta, chopped onions, grated ginger, and last add chopped chilies. Sort them perfectly. Now add salt as per taste. Sort them a bit. And now add some dry fruits, cashew nuts, and some raisins. Sort them a bit. Now add the fried potatoes and sort them a bit. Then add the rice flakes and mix them properly. After it gets mixed, add sugar as per sweet and then mix them properly. Before serving, last add 2 or 1 tablespoon of ghee and again mix them properly and also fry them well. Your dish is perfectly cooked. Serve it hot. Enjoy your delicious dish and thank you for watching my recipe.